All right, here is my laser cutting project for this class. And so you can see I went on to makercase.com and got some files for Adobe Illustrator. And this one was a pentagon box. And so I engraved on it Huskers. And so see all the sides. This is a finger joint box also. And so print out, or I didn't print them out, call them all out with a 1/8 inch wood by, I think, 2 feet by 1 foot maybe. I don't quite remember. Anyways, open this box up. It's a decent storage place. So this is my apron. You'll see the video of that if you watch them in order, I guess. And so in here, I also engraved on the sides University of Nebraska Lincoln, the state of Nebraska, an RBG, so GBR, Go Big Red. That's kind of like the little joke there. And right here it says Nebraska Engineering, and so engineers solve problems. So because I didn't realize this until after I made it, and so I guess we could just make a little A there. So Nebraska Engineering. There we go. I like irony, so I thought that was kind of funny as well. And so, yep, I glued all the joints down with this with wood glue, and yeah, I used I guess little I'm not sure what they're called, brackets to hold them down. And so I didn't put any engraving outside because I kind of like that smoother look to it, especially when this is on, facing kind of like a wall or something. So if it was like up here, like on my PC, I feel like that just looks kind of cool, just hanging out there. And so yeah, that's kind of my project. And so thanks for watching.